morning, friend. As you know, in the previous lecture, we have studied about highway and railway engineering, and today we study about airport engineering. First one is the introduction. Transportation is an important factor for the social and economic development of any region, any country. It is very difficult to imagine society without any mode of transportation. In 20th century, after Second World War, air flight was introduced. Railway and roadways in India are competing today for better providing better transport facility for shorter distance, but for longer distance we use air flights and waterways. Next is the advantages of air transportation. There are few advantages. First one is the rapidity, continuous journey, accessibility. Rapidity mean rapidity. Air transport maintain the highest speed. Designs have been finalized for supersonic jets which travel faster than sound. Next is continuous journey. Air transport mode is it continues over land and water without loss of time. Accessibility. Accessibility means air transportation as a unique ability to open up any region that is inaccessible by other means of transportation. Next is limitation of air transportation. The air transportation has few limitation as indicated below. First one is the operating expenses, capacity, weather condition, flight rules. First one is the operating expenses. Operating expenses mean it is generally very high, including the cost of air vehicles, traffic control system, etc. Thus, the flight charges are comparatively high. Capacity. Capacity means weight carrying capacity of aircraft is the lowest amongst other carriers of the transport. Heavy articles of low grade can't be carried. Next is weather conditions. The weather condition greatly affect the operation of air transport. Foggy days are absolutely not convenient for the landing, takeoff, operation and of aircraft. Last one is the flight rules. Flight rules. The air transport is more beneficial for the international travels as a certain laws in respect to the international aviation has to be observed. ICAO is one body which develops standards and laws for international flights. Next is ICAO. It means International Civil Aviation Organization. The International Civil Aviation Organization, an agency of United Nations, codified the principle and techniques for international air navigation and fosters the planning